I can't avoid this any longer. Some of these selections in the West Indies 15-man squad heading to the World T20 in Australia. We heard the attempted explanation by Chief Selector Desmond Haynes for some of these discrepancies, from the selection of Raymond Reefer and Yannick Carrier to the omission of Andre Russell, Fabian Allen, and Romario Shepherd. But let me say this, all things considered, personally, I could not live with myself to pick 31-year-old Raymond Reefer or 30-year-old Yannick Carrier, neither of whom has played a single T20 international. Carrier could not even get a CPL contract to play regional T20 cricket. And then Monday, I go to the World Cup, while watching at home on television will be Andre Russell, arguably the greatest and most successful all-rounder in the history of T20 cricket. Fabian Allen, who is widely regarded as the best fielder in the world, a good lower order pinch hitter and a useful left-arm finger spinner. And Romario Shepherd, a proven game changer in the format with both bat and ball. But you hear me? I just mean that. You hear me? You just rally around the West Indies. If you don't want.